we have DC Superhero Girls Legos to play with. And today we are unboxing and building Bumblebee and her helicopter. Check out this box. There's Bumblebee and her amazing helicopter and her super friends. And of course it's from DC Superhero Girls and Lego. So this set includes Bumblebee herself, her awesome helicopter kit with spinning rotors and a zipline and 2 angry little Kryptomites. And there's all kinds of great shooting action and storage for these magical crystals. And there's Bumblebee herself again. Really cool figurine. I can't wait to get into this, so let's dive in right now. Bumblebee is my favorite DC superhero girl. She's fun and outgoing, and she's also one of the smartest girls at Superhero High. She built her tech suit, and it allows her to shrink to the size of the bee. She can fly, she can project sonic blasts, and she's a great friend to all the heroes at Superhero High. She's the best. These little buggers are the Kryptomites, and apparently they are after Bumblebee's shipment of crystals. So she has this great helicopter with an actual opening cockpit, spinning rotors, stud shooters, a zip line, and storage for all of her crystals. And even better, she has this little dumpster that she can use to store those angry little Kryptomites. This set is awesome. And this is one of the Kryptomites' little guns that actually shoots. Pretty scary. And here is her dumpster for storing Kryptomites. Now let's get started on that helicopter.
Let's take this baby for a spin.
Time to try out these stud shooters. Awesome! Let's check out the Kryptomites shooters too.
We're gonna have to keep an eye on that guy.
What do you think? I love this Lego set. I'm getting quite a collection now thanks to you Monkey Blossoms. Make sure you subscribe so you see us unbox the Wonder Woman playset too.
Get your cape on, and thanks for watching Monkey Blossom.